why and how you should use talking avatars in your video marketing.
Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate animated videos and AI-generated animated speaking avatars in your marketing. I am Cecilia Elise Wallin, founder of the innovative film production and marketing agency Inventicity. And I have been using animated videos and AI-generated speaking avatars for some time in my marketing agency for myself and for my clients. In the pre-production process to test out different ideas before investing a lot of money in hiring actors and filming on different locations.
And what is even more awesome is to not just use animated avatars to test out ideas, but to include them in the actual final commercials that hit the market.
And in this step-by-step tutorial, we will focus on creating entertaining commercials. For some time, I have been using AI-generated speaking avatars from Nero AI, and yesterday they reached out to me and offered to sponsor today's video. So now I'll show you step by step how to easily create entertaining AI-generated speaking avatar commercials. It is free to use the Neiro software to create animated speaking avatars. I will post a link to their website below. And what I have been doing is that I have been creating avatars with the Neiro software, and then I have downloaded the videos to my computer, and I have continued editing in my editing software on my computer. But all editing from start to finish can be done within the Neiro app. It is really user-friendly and free, and for a small fee you can access more features within the Neiro app. Now I'll show you how to create a funny commercial. And let's say that I'm going to branch out and add a coffee brand to my film production services. And let's say that I'm going to call my fictitious coffee brand Inventicity Film Production Coffee. And let's say that I want to create a funny ad, a funny commercial for my new coffee brand. So what I can do here within Nero AI, if I have a Pro account, I can generate a script within the app here. Or I can generate the script for free, of course, in ChatGPT, for example, and then paste it into Nero AI. And since I have access to the Pro account right now, I will generate the script here. So after I have clicked on Generate Video, I can click here on Generate Script, and this window will open. Auto-compose your video script with AI, and let's write the prompt here. A funny commercial for the Inventicity Film Production Coffee brand. And if I want, I can choose the target audience here, but let's leave it blank for now. And click here and generate. And here in the Neiro app, two different scripts will be generated, and I can choose the one I prefer. And I like the second one better, so let's click and use this script. And now I'm going to choose an avatar and a voice and emotions. This time I will go with English American accent. But what's so awesome in Nero AI is that you can choose from a long range of different languages. Within the Nero app I can generate speaking avatar videos in over 150 languages. And for example, when I have created this coffee ad, I can generate these animated videos in all these languages in just a few minutes and reach a lot of different markets. The avatars will read my script in all these different languages, but let's choose English now. And I have previously AI generated a background image I'm now uploading into the Neiro app. And here I can easily choose the avatar I want. I can choose voice and emotion. And I want to have different scenes, several different scenes in my coffee ad. So I'm going to generate several scenes with different avatars. And I can use the exported speaking avatar videos as they are, or I can continue editing on my computer. So if you want, you can continue editing in your favorite software on your computer. Now let's look at the final result.
Introducing Inventicity Film Production Coffee.
The perfect blend for coffee-loving filmmakers.
It's so good, it'll make your movie ideas percolate faster than you can say lights, camera, coffee.
A hilarious jolt of caffeine to kickstart your creativity. Lights, camera, caffeine. Inventicity Film Production Coffee.
Get brewing today.